Hello sa'yo student, ako si Sir Bryan. At nandito ka sa aking channel na The Millennial Teacher. Nandito ako para tulungan ka sa math subject mo. Nagtuturo ako ng mga topics mula grade 7 hanggang grade 10. Pero bago natin umpisahan ang klase, ay iniimbitahan kitang mag-subscribe sa aking channel at pindutin ang notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga bagong upload ko, na tiyak na makakatulong sa'yo. Simulan na natin ang klase. Ang topic na ituturo ko sa iyo ngayon student ay Arithmetic Sequence. An arithmetic sequence is a sequence in which the difference between any two consecutive terms is the same. This constant difference is called the common difference, and will be denoted by D. Gawin natin sa mga sumusunod na halimbawa. Let's say, we have 21, 31, 41, and 51. Para makuha ang common difference student, ay kukuha tayo ng two consecutive terms. Kunin natin ang second at first term, kaya magiging 31 minus 21, which is equal to 10. At ayan ang ating common difference. Next given student ay 28, 24, 20, and 16. Kunin natin ang second at first term, kaya magiging 24 minus 28, which is equal to negative 4. Next example student ay 0, 1/3, 2/3, and 4/3. In this case, kunin natin ang fourth term at third term. Kaya magiging 4/3, minus 1, which is equal to 1/3. Ganyan lang kadali ang pagkuha ng common difference student. Next student ay determine the next three terms of the arithmetic sequence. Example number 1, 6, 12, 18, 24. Para makuha natin ang tatlong susunod na terms student, ay kailangan nating makuha ang common difference. Gamitin natin ang second term which is 12, at first term which is 6. Kaya magiging 12 minus 6, kaya ang common difference natin ay 6. Next student, ay i-add natin ang 6 sa last given term which is 24. At sa mga susunod pa na terms. Kaya ang next three terms ay 30, 36, and 42. Example number 2, 22, 25, 28. Kunin natin ang common difference. This time student, ay gamitin natin ang third term, which is 28. At second term which is 25. Kaya magiging 28 minus 25. At ang sagot student ay 3. Ngayon, i-add natin ang 3 sa 28 at sa mga susunod na terms. Kaya magiging 31, 34, and 37. Example number 3, negative 10, negative 7, negative 4. Kunin natin muli ang common difference student. Gamitin natin ang second term which is negative 7. At first term which is negative 10. Kaya magiging negative 7 minus negative 10. Using the rules of subtracting integers, just copy the negative 7. Then, change the operation from subtraction to addition. And change the sign of subtrahend from negative 10 to positive 10. Kaya magiging negative 7 plus 10. At ang sagot ay 3. Then add 3 sa last given term. At sa mga susunod pa na terms. Kaya magiging negative 1, 2, and 5. Next student ay the nth term of arithmetic sequence is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus quantity n minus 1 times d, where a sub 1 is the first term, n is the number of terms, and d is the common difference. Gamitin natin sa mga sumusunod na halimbawa student. Example number 1. Find the 12th term of the arithmetic sequence. 3, 5, 7, 9, and so on, and so forth. To get the common difference student just get two consecutive terms. And subtract In this example, gamitin natin ang second term which is 5. And first term which is 3. Kaya magiging 5 minus 3. Kaya ang common difference natin student ay 2. Next student, ang value ng ating n ay 12. Dahil yan, ang number of terms natin. At ang a sub n natin ay a sub 12. Dahil pang 12 term ang hinahanap natin student. Kaya magiging a sub 12 is equal to 3 plus quantity 12 minus 1 times 2. Next student ay magiging a sub 12 is equal to 3 plus 12 minus 1 is 11 and 11 times 2 is 22. Then student just add 3 and 22. Kaya ang sagot ay 25. Hence the 12th term is 25. Example number 2. Find the 10th term of the arithmetic sequence negative 37, negative 34, negative 31, and so on, and so forth. To get the common difference student just get two consecutive terms. And subtract. In this example, gamitin natin ang third term which is negative 31. And second term which is negative 34. Kaya magiging negative 31 minus negative 34. By subtracting just copy the negative 31. And change the operation into addition. And change the sign of subtrahend. Kaya magiging positive 34. Kaya, ang common difference student ay 3. Next student, ang value ng ating n ay 10. Dahil yan, ang number of terms natin. At ang a sub n natin ay a sub 10. Dahil pang 10th term ang hinahanap natin student. Kaya magiging a sub 10 equals negative 37 plus quantity 10 minus 1 times 3. Next student ay magiging a sub 10 is equal to negative 37 plus 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. And 9 times 3 is equal to 27. Then student just add negative 37 and 27. Kaya ang sagot ay negative 10. Hence the 10th term is negative 10. Example number 3. If the third term of an arithmetic sequence is 13. And the 9th term is 37. What is the common difference? In this case student, ay wala tayong given na first term. We have a sub 1, a sub 2, 13, a sub 4, a sub 5, a sub 6, a sub 7, a sub 8, and 37. Dahil wala tayong first term student, ay i-adjust natin ang given natin. At ang 13, ang magiging first term natin. Then, followed by, a sub 2, a sub 3, a sub 4, a sub 5, a sub 6, at ang 37, ay magiging 7th term. Ngayon student, ang a sub 1, natin ay 13, ang a sub 7, natin ay 37, at ang n natin ay 7. Using the formula, a sub n equals a sub 1 plus quantity n minus 1 times d ay magiging 37 equals 13 plus quantity 7 minus 1 times d. Next student ay magiging 37 equals 13 plus 7 minus 1 is 6 and 6 times d is equal to 6d. Next student, ilagay natin sa kaliwang side ng equation ang 6d at ilagay natin sa kanang side ng equation ang 37. Kaya magiging negative 6d equals 13 minus 37. Just copy the negative 6d equals 13 minus 37 is equal to negative 24. Then, divide both sides of equation by negative 6. Kaya, ang value ng d ay 4. which is the common difference. Example number 4. Find the seventh term of an arithmetic sequence if the third term is 5 and the fifth term is 11. In this case, student, ay wala uli tayong first term. We have a sub 1, a sub 2, 5, a sub 4, 11. Kaya, i-adjust natin ito at ang 5, ang magiging first term, followed by a sub 2, and 11, na magiging third term. Kaya, ang magiging a sub 1 natin, student, ay 5, ang a sub 3 natin ay 11, at ang n natin ay 3. Using the formula a sub n equals a sub 1 plus quantity n minus 1 times d ay magiging 11 equals 5 plus quantity 3 minus 1 times d. Next, student, ay 11 equals 5 plus 3 minus 1 is 2, and 2 times d is equal to 2d. Next, student, ay ilipat natin sa kaliwang side ng equation ang 2d at ilipat natin sa kanang equation ang 11. Kaya magiging negative 2d equals 5 minus 11. Next, student, ay negative 2d equals 5 minus 11 is negative 6. At ang huli, student, ay divide both side of equation by negative 2. Kaya, ang d o common difference natin ay 3. Ngayon, student, balik tayo sa ating problem. Ang hinahanap natin ay ang 7th term. Ngayon, gamitin natin ang 5th term, which is 11, para makuha ang 6th term. Just add 3 to 11, which is 14. At para makuha ang 7th term, student, just add 3 sa 14, which is 17. Kaya, ang 7th term ay 17. Hopefully, may natutunan ka sa video na ito, student. At huwag mo na ding kalimutan mag-subscribe and share mo na din ito sa kapwa mo mag-aaral na kailangan matutunan ang topic na ito. Muli, ako si Sir Bryan, ang iyong Millennial Teacher. And see you to my next class.